Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to look at uploading your digital video onto YouTube. The first thing to do, if you haven't already done so, is to create an account. Now, YouTube is a Google product, so if you have a Gmail account or an account with another Google product, that account will work for YouTube. So you can just sign in using your Gmail account or your other Google login. If you don't already have one of those, then go ahead and click Create Account. You can do that down here as well. Click Create Account, and it's a pretty straightforward process. So go ahead and do that. And once you're ready, go ahead and sign in. Once you've logged in, you'll now see your username up here, and if you click on your username, you get this drop-down menu. You're able to take a look at your content, playlists, and manage your videos in a number of ways. When you create a YouTube account, you get what's called a channel, and that is where your viewers can come and see all of your pieces. Instead of looking at an individual video page, you can look at all of that uploader's content. And the video manager will deal with that shortly. But the first step to uploading is to click on this link here called Upload. So let's do that. Notice here we get a congratulations, your account is now enabled for uploads longer than 15 minutes. By default, at least at last check, YouTube enables you to upload video files that are up to 2 gigabytes in size, yet no longer than 15 minutes in length. And I think this is particularly has to do with them trying to combat uploading proprietary video. Now, my account, because I've uploaded a number of videos and none of them have been flagged as infringing copyright, has now been enabled for content that is longer than 15 minutes. On some of the forums, I've seen that folks have been enabled for stuff that's longer than 15 minutes and then later come back to their account and find that they are no longer enabled for uploads longer than 15 minutes. So be aware of that. And note that when you first start your YouTube account that you can't upload something longer than 15 minutes. If you need to, then you can upload it in parts, part 1, 2, 3, and then create a playlist that puts those parts in order for your viewers. You have the opportunity to video or record video from your webcam live. You can use their multiple file uploader, and if you're just doing a single file like I'm going to demonstrate right now, go ahead and click the select files from your computer option. And if I go to my desktop, I have this MPEG file. I'm going to click choose, and it immediately starts uploading my file. Note that I get this uploader bar here. Gives me a guesstimation of how long it's going to take. Once you have started uploading your video, don't close that browser window, otherwise you will corrupt your upload and you'll have to start again. While your video is uploading, now you can add the metadata. By default, it adds the name of your file as the title. You can change that. Give it a description and some tags if you want to. Tags, of course, help others find your material through searches. You have the option to use the standard YouTube license, which is a copyrighted license, or use a Creative Commons attribution license if you're the owner of the content or if you know that your content is open source. You can list, unlist, or make private your content. So that's a good option, particularly if you're wanting to look at your video, say, just within your organization. You can choose one of those. There are a number of categories that you can choose from, and once again, this also helps folks find your content via the search. Note that while you're uploading your video, you don't have to just upload one video at a time. So if you're uploading multiple videos, or if you've broken your videos into parts because of the 15-minute time limit, you can click Add More Videos, and that will enable you to search for another video on your desktop or create another video that you want to, or excuse me, add another video that you want to upload to your account. I've uploaded, I think, 4 or 5 videos simultaneously before and not had any problems. Note that once your video is fully uploaded, then the processing portion of the submission process begins. The metadata that you have entered will be automatically saved. Processing can take a little while, and your video won't be available to view until it's fully processed. Now, what's happening during this processing is that it's fully uploaded onto YouTube servers, and the transcoding process begins. When a video is uploaded to YouTube, the video is transcoded into a number of file formats so that folks on different mobile devices can view it, folks on different in different computer environments can view it, and all of that is relatively seamless for the uploader. Once we have finished that process and the video is processing, now we have the option to go in and edit which thumbnail we would like to associate with the video. I'm going to choose this thumbnail. If you want to change any of your metadata, go ahead and change it, and basically it will autosave. If it hasn't autosaved your option or your choices, then go ahead and click the saved option. Now let's take a look at the actual page where users can view the video. We can go ahead and click watch. And this will take us to the page where our video has now been uploaded. Now for this assignment, I'm going to ask you to submit to me the URL for your video. So if you click on the watch page for the video and you copy this URL, please, that's what you're going to submit to me. Basically the URL so that I can go onto YouTube and watch your video. From the video watch page, you have a number of options. And everywhere all over YouTube, you have the option to share. And for your own video, share is what you want to click to get that short link or to get your embed code. You can copy and paste this code and paste it into any HTML enabled page, onto a blog, etc. Anybody that asks you for an embed code, this is where you can give it. You have a nice user interface down here where you can use some presets, 640 by 480. Since this is a 4:3 aspect ratio video, 640 by 480 is a nice choice for the embed code for this video. Note you can give a custom width and height. Now a few other options. Show suggested videos when the video finishes. That's what this is. And to be perfectly honest, none of these videos have anything to do with my video. So I usually like to unclick this, so show suggested videos. That way when I embed this on my own page, I don't just get random YouTube videos being suggested at the end of my content. So once again, for your for the assignment, you're going to copy and paste the URL to your video, and you're going to submit that to me, and that's what we're going to click on and watch during the film festival in our class. But that's not the end of the upload for YouTube. As a content contributor, you now have the capability to go in and to manage your videos. And let's take a look at how to manage videos. Go ahead and click on your name icon again, and you get that drop down window. Now you have what is called the video manager, and if you click on the video manager, it will show you all of the videos that you have uploaded. And note that the most recent video that I submitted is at the top. Now what this does is it gives me the capability to go in and edit my content after the fact, after I've uploaded it. So if I click this drop down menu, info and settings, enhancements, annotations, captions, and you can download your original file if you ever lose the original file. So that's a nice option. Now I'm not going to go into annotations, captions, etc. There's a number of tutorials out there, but do know that you can utilize your video in a number of really interesting ways that YouTube enables you to add layers over the top of your content. If I just click edit, then it takes me to my video, the information on my video. Again, I can edit my title, description, and tags. I can choose thumbnails. You can geolocate your video to a specific area, date, times, etc., and change things such as the ability to comment, the ability to vote, etc. So do know that once you publish your video onto YouTube and you make it public, folks have the option to come in and embed your content. So for example, if you're not interested in enabling people to embed your content, you can choose the embedding option and say no, external sites may not embed this content. It's only for your use, or they can only watch it on YouTube, depending on if you make it public or private. Once you change the information in your video manager, always be sure to click Save Changes, otherwise your changes won't be saved. Let's take a look, one more step. If we click on our username and click on My Channel, it'll take you to your channel page, and that is where you have the option to, if someone looks at your username and not your individual video, all of the different videos that you've uploaded. You have the capability to add featured content, to add featured playlists, and add a number of interesting things about yourself beyond just the video content that you've uploaded. So a number of organizations would like to have their own YouTube page, and this is how you would do it, is to create your own channel and then customize it as you go. So the way that you would do that is to click Edit Channel. And there's all sorts of information up here, or capabilities up here. Info settings, the different layouts, appearances, etc. Now we're right in the middle of a switch. I believe it's March 7th or the 8th that YouTube is going to force everybody into the new look and feel of YouTube, and that's what you're seeing down here, this sort of black and white and gray layout. But right now you might encounter verbiage that says old channel design, new channel design, old video uploader, new video uploader, and that's what's happening. YouTube is basically doing a soft rollout of a new tool set. So if you encounter that, that's what's happening. Now remember, always click Save or Done Editing once you're finished. Don't just navigate away from the page. I can click on my username in Video Manager, and if I just click on the video I uploaded, then it takes me to that video page, and this is the deliverable for the assignment, the URL for the video that you just uploaded to YouTube. I think that's just about it, and I will see you next time. Thanks.